So I'm cruising down the road, and I see this joint called Millie's. I'm like, wait a second, I got a buddy named Millie. I gotta check this out, because I hear they're all about seafood to table, farm to table, and loco for locals. This is Millie's.
Franchise going in the oil.
Perfect. Don't stop, can't stop.
The fish just makes you feel like you're on the ocean.
Strip and grits for you.
I know Chris really well, and I'd say the secret is the passion for the food.
Ooh, boy, these look good.
That passion comes from Chris Chabero's work as a boat captain and fisherman, mixed with his restaurant experience. And now he and his wife, Amy, are cooking up coastal for the locals.
As soon as people come to town and ask, where should I go? The answer is always Millie's.
Alligator ribs, 2 minutes out.
I've had a lot of alligator tail, but nothing compares to the alligator rib here.
Alligator tail is kind of like chicken, where this actually seems to be like a pork. That's really good.
All right, what are we doing next?
Our dry seasoning for the alligator ribs.
Dying to try this. Well, we will be trying this. I don't have to die.
We got our brown sugar, chili, garlic powder, onion powder, cinnamon, smoked paprika,
Salt and pepper.
gator rib rack.
More meat on it than I anticipated.
Then you thought, right? Cut them straight down.
So easy.
Right.
We're gonna let this dry rub sit for a while.
For about an hour.
Then they go on the smoker, 40 minutes. Meantime, we'll make some barbecue sauce.
We start with some onions, spiced rum, garlic, ketchup,
Brown sugar,
apple cider vinegar.
molasses.
Oh, my favorite.
It's not just for breakfast anymore.
Paprika,
Cayenne?
salt,
Chili powder.
and coriander.
All right, how long is it gonna take for this to cook down?
25 minutes or so.
Got it?
Ribs are off the smoker. That barbecue sauce that we just made, that is so darn delicious. Just gonna give them a little
He's
toss.
his best hype man, I swear.
Always.
How long they can go on the grill?
Just for about 5 to 10 minutes.
All right, chef.
Ribs are coming off the grill.
It's interesting. I never thought of eating through the bone on a sandwich, but
You gotta have the bread up there to soak up all the barbecue sauce, right?
there you go.
Freshly sliced jalapenos, a little green onion.
I've had a lot of gator. Never had the ribs. That's probably one of the best ways I've ever had gator, if not the best way. It's tender, it's meaty, it eats like a pork rib.
Right.
The barbecue sauce, dude, I compete in barbecue. I'm in the Barbecue Hall of Fame. The barbecue sauce is delicious.
Awesome.
Anybody ever says they don't like gator, send them to Millie's and have them come try that.
Smoked alligator ribs.
This is Rashad Jones, his wife Patrice. He was on a great show he did called Guy's Big Project. He won. I want you to tell me what you think of this.
Pulls cleanly off the bone, has a nice clean finish. It doesn't taste gamey, it doesn't taste wild.
The barbecue sauce, that's the key to the ribs. I'm wearing it. I loved it so much, so I'm taking it home with me.
What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay.
Really good.
Really good.
Amazing.
Amazing!
Incredible.
Incredible!
Home run, knocked it out of the park.